Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and that is a 66 Chevelle, man. She's got 396 under the hood, looking beautiful, man. She is black, red interior, all the chrome, the stainless, the aluminum, all looking sweet. Sitting out here in the sun, man, it is just absolutely gorgeous. As you look down the side, you see a nice straight paint job. All the body lines are fitting nice. And then she's got Cragars on her. And then check out the red interior, man. You want to talk about sweet. Nothing better on a black car than red interior, even though my favorite color interior is black. But I tell you what, this red interior really sets off the black on the exterior, just looking sweet. Center console's got that 4-speed in there. They're just absolutely beautiful. That back seat, we've got seat belts back there. Package tray's looking good. Headliner's looking great. I mean, all the chrome on the dash, the steering wheel, all the fitment on everything, just looking absolutely gorgeous, man. She is a beauty. I'm gonna grab the keys here so we can pop open the trunk. You see that quarter panel? Look at the reflections in that black paint, looking sweet. Tail panel's looking good. The chrome on the back bumper looks like it's new also. Inside the trunk here, look at the finish on that. Now you need to check out the trunk on any car you're buying, because a lot of times these babies leaked, and if they stayed outside, the trunk was one of the first things to go. You can see the paint work on the bottom side of the deck lid looking good. There is a spare tire jack and lug wrench in there. Hopefully you never need that. As you look down the side, on the passenger side, she's straight as can be. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we do not do consignment. That means we own this beautiful Chevelle. So you can bet we did our homework and checked it out before we bought it. The first thing that happens to every car at Vanguard is they go up on the lift so we can inspect them. Then we take our pictures, do our video. That way you see exactly what your dream's gonna look like when we park it in your driveway. Chevelle time, big block Chevy, some awesome mufflers on this thing. Tell you what, nothing sounds better than a big block Chevy with some good exhaust. This baby's got some killer exhaust on it, man. Just sounding amazing. And then you got the 4-speed to play with, so you get to really make that exhaust talk. She is just sounding amazing. And don't forget, we can deliver it anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Just listen to that baby. I just downshifted from third to second. Just poked her in the first here also. Waiting on this old Ram pickup truck to limp out of the way. Here we go. I love that clapping. Don't that sound good? Now we can help you out with financing too. We got a bunch of banks we work with on financing, so please give Tom a call. He'll help you out. Just downshifted again into second there. Get around the corner here. Uh-oh, roadblock. Here we go. Now look down here on the dash. Got to slow down going through the gears here. Looks like our speedo's working. Our tack down here is working. Everything on the dash looking sweet. Now it does have the stock radio in it. So if you're a radio guy, you probably want to replace that with one of those retro sound radios. We've got a couple of extra gauges underneath the dash. That way you know exactly what's going on. Now don't forget, we would love to have you come in. check this baby out, check out the rest of our inventory. If you need to fly in, we're close to the airport. If you need a ride from the airport, give us a call. We'll try to accommodate you with a ride. Now we're about to go back to the shop and do something that nobody else does to every one of their vehicles. At Vanguard, we are proud of the bottom side of all of our vehicles. That's why we put every one of our vehicles up on the lift so you can check out the bottom side too. We're pulling up to our main facility here at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. It's a badass Chevy pickup truck sitting right there too. Stick with us, we're going in the air right now. All right, we're underneath this baby now, and you can see it's got a brand new tank, brand new exhaust. You can see the frames all painted up. I can see brand new body bushings. We got a 12-bolt rear end in here. Looks like new upper control arms, new lower control arms, new bolts, new bushings. The brakes look fairly new too, and the guys will pull those all apart, make sure they're in good working order. I see new U-bolts, I see new brake lines, Flowmaster mufflers here. Looks like a new brake line going front to back, a new fuel line going front to back. We got one little patch in here that's been all welded in. You can see that the floors have been coated with some bedliner type material here. We got the Muncie 4-speed here. We got the stock appearing bell housing and stock clutch linkage. Stock appearing starter on it also. Sway bar bushings look like they're new. I still see they still got the tags on the coil springs here, so they're definitely new. Back side of the bumper looks just as clean as the front side, so it's definitely new. See new hardware holding this bumper bracket on. These tires are brand new. Those Cragars are brand new. I mean, there's a lot of new stuff on this car. We got two 25/60 15s. You always want to look at the pinch weld. You can see the bottom of it's all nice and clean. The back side's nice and smooth. That pinch weld itself's looking good. Then out back here we have two, oh, eyes don't work anymore. Is that 55? Two 55/60 15s. And again, those Cragars are brand new. We're gonna lower it down and look under the hood. All right, under the hood here we got 396 power with aluminum heads. It's got a winner's intake on it. We've got power brakes over here. You can see that there's a power steering pump down here. We got the reservoir here. You see nice paint on the inner fenders. I see new crossbars there in the upper control arms. We got a top on the battery to make it look like one of those old style batteries. We got a shutoff on there also. Chrome valve cover, stock appearing distributor and coil. I think I already pointed out how clean the firewall is, the bottom side of the hood, the hinges have been restored. I mean, everything about this thing's absolutely gorgeous, guys. She's black, she's a 66, she's a 4-speed, it's got a 396. Call us, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.